Yo, what is good, YouTube? We are back with another video. If you guys aren't in the free Discord, go join it. It's the first link down below. This video is going to be a little bit different, actually very different, because I never done one of these, but we're going to do a backtesting video, right? So we're going to do a backtesting video, and I'm going to give you what the entry model is and everything. So the four things we need for this are higher time frame key level, the most important, SMT, right, turtle soup, time, and then entry, right? The only entries we can take are turtle soups and a CISD, right? So those are the four things that we need for this, right? And then a higher time frame bias, but that's obvious. So we are going to look here at the weekly first. So looking at the weekly, did this week just start? Tuesday. Let's go to the New York session. So Tuesday, we actually just formed an SMT at this low right here. So higher time frame key level, ES took out previous week low, and a fair value gap. So internal to external, we're obviously in bullish order flow right now. So 4 hours shows obviously no really displacement much except right here, but I would favor us to go higher. So yeah, I would favor us to go higher. ES just took out this low right here, so we have this SMT, and we could use this as our higher time frame key level, that 4 hour order block. And we also have really nothing holding us back from going higher, right? Yeah, nothing really holding us back at all, right? And we could use this down close candle that dug lower as a real order block. So we just hit and closed perfectly at mean threshold. So that can be our higher time frame key level, and we can go to the 15-minute, right? We already have a bias established. We're bullish. So these obviously look like the draw on liquidity, or the draw on liquidity. So we'll go to the 5-minute, see if we can tap into here. So right there, we tapped in, right? So it's only 8:39, but if we're expecting, also, if we go to the 6 hour, the 6 hour opened lower and we are continuing to go lower. So if we're expecting us to just continue higher the entire day, right, this low right here can stay intact. Why can this stay intact? We have an SMT at it, right? We took out this candle's low, closed back in, and if we want to start trending, right, this low is never going to be taken. So we can take an entry before equities open, right? We can take that entry before equities opens. So let's go to the 1 minute and there. Okay, so just opened up. Okay, so we're digging a little bit lower. No SMT. ES might want to keep those intact though. Okay, so 9 just opened up and it went higher. But if we close over this high, yeah, we're going to continue higher. That just turned into a higher time frame order block. Yep. And we can wait for the 15-minute to close and actually just take a long straight off that order block if the 15-minute gives it to us. Right, so we can take an entry somewhere in here, risk off that low, target these highs. It's a 2R, so we'll place order, see if this does want to come down and fill us. It looks like we're just going to pump straight it open though. Oh, yep, we just pumped straight it open. So that kind of sucks. We could have used this as our entry, but it is what it is. We'll see if anything else arises, but I wouldn't trade. Nope, I wouldn't trade here. Pump, I wouldn't trade. Yeah, we're just going to chop. SMT there? Nope. So we're going to go to the next New York session, right? So, right, we're still bullish, right? We're anticipating Monday being low of week on NQ and Tuesday low of week on the ES. We have unfinished business with these highs up here. Even if we have an SMT at this high, doesn't matter. Weekly profile is bullish. So 6 hour, we'd use this as our range coming into a 6 hour imbalance, 4 hour imbalance, 1 hour. I'd wait to see if NQ wants to take out all these lows. Okay, there we go. We actually have a SMT. We just opened up the new candle. So right here's our SMT. This candle right here does not need to have its low taken anymore. Why? Because we have an SMT, right? So there you go. Okay, so do we have an SMT anywhere? Right there. We have an SMT with this low right here, right? Just like the last video, or the last session, we can take an entry before market open. Why? Why? Because this can be the low of the day, right? This can stay intact because we have an SMT at it. We're in a bullish profile, right? So if we want to just take an entry here, I don't care if this low wants to get taken. I don't think this low wants to get taken. So if I don't care if this low wants to get taken, I can just risk this low off and target all these highs, right? I'm anticipating this low staying intact, right? So just remember that whenever, like, that's our draw, this high up here. So I'm fine with taking an entry here and risking off 13 points, right? Even though on this it's just going to be 1%. So save. This low doesn't need to be taken. Just know that. Right, we'll see. Oh, it just got tapped in. This low, however, can. If it wants to take that low, that's totally fine. I don't know why, but I just talked a lot. Right there. Took all those lows. Notice. Market opens in 1 second. Do we dump here and take my stop? Probably not. Oh. Okay, we can partial there. All right, we can partial there. Actually, no, I wouldn't. Okay, let me do this. Why wouldn't I partial here? I'm expecting a classic expansion, right? Low. This is the low. We are going to expand to this high, so why would I partial here? Oh, it's getting scary. Okay, now we definitely could because we have an SMT. So, is this a 2R though? Right? Is this a 2R? Yeah, it's a majority 2R. So, we're going to close 75%, save, boom, let the rest run. Tapped out. There we go. So, 1.7 on that trade right there. Notice, we took those lows that I said it's permissible to take out. We didn't take the low that I said can stay intact. So, just, if you don't understand that, go rewatch everything that just happened, right? So go rewatch. We'll go to the next New York session. I could have held that all day. So we took out all-time highs. This would be our range. ES took it out though, but why would I short here, bro? Not until... So another thing people get... I don't like to do, but some people do because they like scalping on the 1 minute. I'm not shorting this. There's, like, yeah, you could catch maybe from here down to here and catch 50 points, but, like, what, like, that trade that I took just there, not yesterday, but in this session, right, yesterday on here, that was what? If we want, like, low of day, right, I entered here. 217 up to here, 60 points, and going with order flow. I would rather do that than try to short up here and get maybe down to here. Like, I'm not doing that. So no reason to short this. NQ is just consolidating. This is ugly. I'm not looking for a trade before equity is open here because of this price action. No news until tomorrow, so we'll just... Is there any SMT down here that we might just pump straight? Dude, oh my gosh. Okay, I guarantee you this probably will happen on the NQ. Market opens, we pump straight to that high. I'm not trading. Oh, wow. Okay, there we go. Now we can start talking. Right, so now we have an SMT down here. Let that play out. There we go. So, 5 minute, just took out this range. Ew. ES, what are you doing? Ew. Yeah, I was going to say, I'd expect a little lower. Okay, maybe shorts do play out all day. Right, I'm not sure. Like, there was nothing here. Right, there was nothing. So, we were just in this. There was nothing there. Okay, ES is triple equal lows and NQ is just dying. Right there. I could have entered here, right? SMT, CISD, enter to rebalance some of this, even though it's just choppy down. So there. Yeah, so that trade would have worked out for at least a 2 or 3R. Right, but now we have an SMT here. Right, so we have that SMT. This has to be a bank holiday, bro. There's no fucking... Oops. There's no... Oh, it's July 4th. I'm stupid. Dude, I'm so dumb. Oh my gosh, I'm stupid. Okay. Friday. Oh my god, dude. No news. No, no news. 1 hour. I don't know why the chart looks like that. I mean... Dude, what is that? Oh, there might have been news at 8:30. It just doesn't show. I wouldn't look for anything until open, so... I doubt there's an yeah, there's definitely not an SMT here. Right, so... Ew, this looks horrid. What is this? Okay, so one thing we could do... We're bouncing off 50% of this. Huh. That was actually pretty nice. Okay, so we just created equal... Oh! Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. OTE. Boom. OTE. Hold up. Wait a minute. We have equal lows on the ES, but we have an SMT with all these lows down here. We have equal highs. This is too high probability to not try. See if we can get filled at 8:30, right? It's not a 2R though. What else can we target, right? What else can we target? Let's take this manipulation leg. Ooh, 2.5 rejection. We can target here. That's what we can target. Boom. Let's see if we want to get tapped in. If we want to get tapped in. Right? Why are we bullish here? Higher time frame PD array, that big wick. Big old wick. Just clear displacement off. OTE pullback. All these imbalances. Displacement on the 1 minute. SMT with all these lows. I don't care that ES has equal lows. We're going higher. Oh, that's tough. I can't believe that. Whoa, 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 let me take that off. We might be able to get another trade. Look at that. That delivered. No SMT yet. Now we got an SMT. 5 minute fair value gap. There's no SMT except here. Ooh. Ooh. What did 10 a.m. do? 10 a.m. drove higher. Okay. Okay. What do we have? SMT. Higher time frame PD array, 5 minute fair value, got 5 minute order block. I'm still bullish for the day, right? It's Friday. Fridays usually, actually not usually, sometimes we'll have a one-sided direction, right? Even though we have just been chopping here, I would probably assume that we just continue higher, right? OTE pullback here, continue. OTE pullback here, continue. OTE pullback here, 5 minute fair value gap also. Continue, right? OTE, boom. We're going to try it. We're going to try it. Boom. Risk off here. Okay, now it's almost a 3R. Let's try it. Right, 10 a.m. kind of open lower, not really, but we'll see. Oh! Oh! That's disrespectful. I'm not trading anymore on this day. Unreal. Unfathomable. Let's go. Okay. So how many days have we had so far, right? Monday. Took a trade here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days, 1 trade, right? It is what it is, right? So, new week. Let's see what we can do, right? We're already pushing higher, and previous day high is right there, so clearly we're going there. Yeah, there's not going to be anything to take all the way up here. Oh, tell me where ES took it. NQ needs to get in that 1 hour fair value gap. No, 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 no. Damn. What could we play here, though? If we get an SMT, we could play external to internal. This would be our internal. Even though I don't want to short, like I just said. But if we do get an SMT, I'm willing to try. Dude. SMT? Ew. Okay. Whoa. Okay, there's the 1 hour for value gap, but then we just go straight up. Okay, there's nothing to trade here. We have a clear SMT. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Hold up. I'd wait for 10. I was gonna say longs. Yeah, just like I just said, longs. But why longs? SMT down here. CISD, hold that the entire time. Boom, deliver to these highs. But 10 a.m. Boom, 10 a.m. opens what? Lower. 10. What also are we in? 4 hour order block, kinda. Fair value gap we still could hold. SMT. Not really. I wouldn't do anything. Hold up. ES looks awful. We have an SMT here, but ES just looks stupid. Okay. I mean, what's this risk, bro? I kind of just want to take a trade for you guys, so what's this risk? Not even a 2R. Okay. SMT. We're going to try this. Wait, no, there's no higher time frame PD, right? I'm going to the next day. Daily. Oh, so Monday did end up pushing us. 1 hour. Equal highs. Oh my gosh, this is going to be fun. Oh my gosh. Buy side. Let's speed this up. SMT down here. Equal lows on the ES. Whoa, 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 whoa. 830 does what? Drives us down. Dude, I just don't like these equal lows. But on the NQ, this low could stay intact. Okay, that wick was fulfilled. Damn. I mean, that's small. Dude, I hate all-time highs because 32 points. I mean, that's stupid. Boom. A trade. Nice. What was the higher time frame PD rate? SMT, fair value gap, clear equal highs, clear draw and liquidity. 15-minute, we're using this candle as our range. 830 digs deeper, taking out this candle's range, also taking out this low, forming an SMT, higher time frame key level. 5-minute CISD, take that entry. I just didn't catch it right here, but fortunately it did come back down, tap it, and then we delivered to buy side. Boom. Dude, this video is already 20 minutes, and I'm not even halfway done. Didn't take out this high yet. I mean, this is why I just would rather long, but we took out the low, and now it looks like we're going to take out the high. ES just did, but we are clearly just bullish, bro, so I wouldn't do anything up here, though. Okay, mark. Oh, dude, I just... SMT. I would have gotten filled out right there, delivered to buy side. Damn, okay. Let me explain this trade and why I would have took it. Higher time frame key level, this higher fair value gap. 30-minute, we can just use this low as our SMT, right? SMT, SMT. 1 minute, right? We had that SMT down there. This would be our CISD. Boom, close above, tap, deliver. So unfortunate, I didn't see that. So right there, I explained it though, so you guys understand. July 11th, we have President Biden's speech. Ooh. We had news at 8:30, clearly. Yeah, I'd let this settle. What are we doing down here? I mean, dude, this is just straight up, straight down. No, yeah, I mean, I'd probably assume that we do get up to this high. I don't care that it's Thursday. Could be a Thursday high of week profile, but I doubt it. We're at all-time highs, bruh. SMT. No closure above this yet. Still an SMT. Just took out these lows, so higher time frame SMT as well. Wow. Okay, we're gonna have to wait for the 5. Yeah, that 1 minute's not gonna fill us down here, so we'll wait for the 5. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. SMT up here. Okay, let's actually decipher this. Could this be a Thursday high of week profile? What have we been doing all week? Monday, expansion higher. Tuesday, tried to expand higher, kind of closed as a doji. Wednesday, big expansion higher. Took out previous day high with news. Okay, let's really decipher this. The only issue is we don't have an SMT at the highs. But we have an SMT right here. Now, okay, this is going to get interesting. Let's see where ES wants to pull back to. So clearly NQ wants to go lower, but ES doesn't. There, now we reached a premium on the ES, and NQ already is showing willingness to go down. Bro, I favor shorts. I favor shorts heavy. Okay. Well, what would we target here? Right? So, we could use this as our manipulation leg and target -2, 2.5. Now, it's just the willingness. If NQ wants to take this high, right? If NQ wants to take that high, I'd be willing to short it, right? Because this would be our previous turtle soup, right? So this high should never be invalidated, right? If it's a true turtle soup and we want to continue lower, that high should not get taken. And we're going to continue lower, right? So if we want to just put a sell limit there, right? And target -2, right? What's the higher time frame PD array? Well, we have a huge SMT here. NQ should not violate this high because of the previous turtle soup, right? And if we look on the 5 minute, what do we have here? Delivery to a new high, failure to continue higher and cause a real breakout. Using this as our breaker, keeps tapping it. Using this as a change in the state of delivery, keeps tapping, and then we dump lower, right? So using that, we'll see if NQ wants to take that high. And it doesn't look like she does. Yeah, so analysis was right. After I dissected this, it just kind of sucks, right? That I didn't get filled. But yeah, that is what it is. So you guys saw some real-time analysis, but we'll go to the next day. We can, what the hell is that? We can use Friday continuation, maybe. Possibly. I don't like this. Alright, alright. 1 hour. Took out all these lows. I'd still favor lower though. Alright, this would be our news data low, so we could target that. Looks like we're about to form an SMT. Boom. Oh, no, there is no SMT though. Up here there is. Right, so we do have an SMT. Is there any news at 10? I wouldn't even care about Michigan sentiment. Ah, okay. SMT there. Ran through. Keeps getting ran through. We actually might continue higher here. Right? So we actually could just continue up. So this 15-minute takes out these lows. Using this as the change in the state of delivery. Could just be a trend day to the upside, I guess. Right? -2, 2.5. We could honestly reach that. Up here, we could use what? Equilibrium. 50% lines up with -2. Right? So if we close this 5-minute above this candle, I would assume short or longs are gonna rip. And we do, so damn. That sucks. I can't take anything because nothing aligns with what I just said. So unless we form an SMT, I can't take anything. I can't take anything. I'm going to have to watch this run. We have an SMT now. Right here at these lows. Using this candle as the range. We could honestly soup that. Right? Why? This 5-minute probably closes back in here. 15, oh my gosh. 15-minute fair value gap, SMT. Unfortunately now, I'm anticipating a, alright, we'll risk off this low because what's our target? All the way up here. This low shouldn't get taken. I mean, we shouldn't take that low. So, using this 1-minute candle as our range because we just entered a 15-minute fair value gap. We just took this low and we closed back inside of it. So, alright, this is where a little bit of CRT is going to come in. Oops. We're going to market by this. So, we'll see. If we get above this high, I'll move my stop to this low. So there. Now we can move stop to break even, go to the 5-minute, and hang out. Because I'm expecting this just to expand. Dude, we could take partials here. We're up 100 points. I can't even ask anybody. We'll take 50%. We hit equilibrium, bro. We're taking 50. We hit equilibrium to the tick. Boom. Okay, let me explain this trade. Why did I flip my bias? Because I realized right here we take out all these lows, we close above these down close candles, we're using that as our order block, right? If we go to the 5-minute, you can see it clear. These are the down close candles within here, right? All these bodies and everything, wicks are just telling you higher. Whenever we violated whenever we kept violating these SMTs up through here, that's whenever I said, okay, we probably continue higher, and if this candle right here gets closed above, it's just going to be an expansion, right? So why did I take this long right here? We had that 15-minute fair value gap, and then this is where I use a little bit of CRT on the 1 minute, right? I'm not using it on the higher time frames, and as you see, like I said, if you use this as your CISD, all these bodies respect it, right? And then right here, whenever we take this candle range low, this is the last down close candle that closed below here. We take the low, close inside. The high should be the draw next. But if we close above it, that would be our CISD, and then we shouldn't violate this low. So that's why I moved my stop confidently to this low and then let it go, right? So let's go to next New York session, right? So I don't know how many trades we have right now. We're up 4.4K. But yeah. Man, I have a lot of days left. I might just, we'll do the full month, bro. This is going to be over an hour. Equal highs on the ES. 6 hour. We took out this candle range's low. And well, ES obviously. Dude, that was yesterday. Holy shit. ES almost ran the high. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, we're probably going to form an SMT, but NQ could take this buy side. Right, we took this candle range's low, and it looks like we want to rotate back up to the high. Right, so what are we delivering from? This low. Unfortunately, we didn't tap that fair value gap, but we also have this 4 hour, so we'll mark that off right there. Oh. 1 hour. Can we defer it a little bit? No, it's the same exact gap. Yeah, we can. 15 minute. I'm still obviously bullish, so 15 minute actually did. Ooh, if we would have took this low right here, that would have been nice. But I'm gonna wait for a little later. I wouldn't take any entries here at 8:30. If we want to retake that low, that'd be nice. Okay, we just did, but I'd like this low to be taken, to be honest. Okay, there it is. Okay, so we have an SMT with this low. 5 minute, if we close above this candle, I'd be okay to take longs. Dude, we barely closed above it. Okay, but think of the bigger picture here. This low is SMT'd. This low does not need to be taken anymore. This low does not need to be taken, right? This low is even SMT'd. ES has clear highs, right? This high up here. Wait, not that high. These highs up here that are acting as the draw. I mean, yeah, we're down. I'm down, right? What's the risk? 17 points for what? Right? This is our draw on liquidity for the day. It's a 7R, right? This low doesn't need to be taken anymore, right? What's the higher time frame PD ray? 1 and 4 hour fair value gap. SMT on this low. What time? 8:30 drives lower. 1 hour candle. Oh god, I don't really like. Just think that you don't need to take that low anymore, right? So if I just think about that, that's fine. So save, we're filled. Okay, market open. ES is pushing. Oh, ES is pushing. Okay, there we go. Market opened. I don't like how NQ's not doing anything. I'll take partials at that high because what is that? It's over. It's a 2R, right? I'd move my stop to break even here, right? I have a confident draw on liquidity, but keep in mind we have this SMT. ES does have a confident draw on liquidity as well, but I would just play this safe. Okay, there. Take some partial. 50%. Boom. Let the rest run. Whoa. Okay, well, we got out a little bit at that high, so secured a 2R. I'm actually really curious, do we ever take that high up there? Okay, so we actually ended up taking this low. Then we run to that high. Okay. Was there a setup? So keep in mind we still had this SMT down here. Was there ever a setup down here? No, not really. I wouldn't like anything. Right, this is just what? I got in here, straight pump, straight dump, and then chop up. Right, so that's fine. That's okay. We'll go to the next New York session. I hope you guys, yeah, you guys should have understood why I took that trade. It was pretty self-evident. It was pretty clear. Dude, I can't believe I'm still going. This is a fucking long video. Okay, 8:30. Economic calendar. I hate when it does this. I don't know if there's any news today. There's nothing here. So if there was news at 10 a.m. or something, and I get in a trade and I get sucked out, it's not my fault. Okay, daily. Took that high on a Monday. We have an order block here on the daily. We also have this SMT down here. I don't even know what I... Dude, I don't... I don't even know. I kind of like this high. Alright, we took the low. Alright, we closed above this candle. But we also took this high. Okay, 4 hour actually looks clear. It looks like we want to go lower. Why? We take this high. We have an SMT up here. We close back lower, but the 6 hour shows this high. Honestly, I don't know where I'd say we're going here. Unless we form some sort of little SMT down here. Right, we actually might form... I'd wait till market open, bro. I'm just mumbling about something I don't know what's going to happen on. Okay, we just opened. Oh, we're so close to having an SMT up there. Right. Let's go to the 1. Okay, can we SMT that high? Then I'd be bearish. Yes, come on. Yes! No, what? Okay, so we have an SMT down here. NQ, this would be our range right now, so I wouldn't try longs. Yeah. Okay, now we're getting there. Take that high, bro. There. Now we have an SMT at the highs. Higher time frame PD array, 15-minute fair value gap. We could deliver lower, right? I don't care that this SMT is here. We have that way bigger SMT, bro. Way bigger. We could try to target this low. 1 hour. What are we doing? I don't like this 1 hour wick though, so it closes in 8 minutes. Okay. 5 minute. What did we do? Okay, 5 minute actually does look good to go lower, to be honest. SMT here. Dude, we could try. I don't like how the candle closes soon, though. But what did we do here? 10 a.m. opens up, goes straight lower. Chop, 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 chop. Dude, I need to see more. I would favor shorts. But I just don't like what we're doing. Okay. Run the high. Run the high. There we go. Now I'd be okay with shorting this. So this, if this wants to stay intact, right, this could be TS. Hopefully. Whoa! We hit the higher time frame fair value gap, right? The higher up one, sorry. Okay, now I'm confident that we do go lower, right? And then we hit this little one. So we can use this one because the risk is probably small, 13 points, and then we're targeting this low, right? So why are we taking this? Higher time frame SMT up here at 930. We have a higher time frame fair value gap, so SMT inside of a higher time frame PD array, all key levels checked. We're taking the trade on the 1 minute because we are using a 15-minute PD array, right? So there you go. So we're gonna go ahead, place our, fuck. How confident am I in this trade? I didn't mean to market order. My bad. I guess it's fine. We might get in drawdown a little bit. We should run that SMT. Boom. Trade's over. I didn't mean to market order that, but I actually wouldn't have even gotten filled if I didn't, so thank you. Okay, dude, this video is 41 minutes. Why did I take that trade? Here we go. 15-minute fair value gap, SMT up here. This 15-minute fair value gap can be narrowed down to what? A smaller 1-minute fair value gap. So this fair value gap right here, respect. Then we get a CISD with these two down close candles. I market ordered. What could, if I did actually on futures, 27 points, 25 would be $500 plus $4,540 for almost 100 points, $2,000. So yeah, good risk to reward. Let's go to the next New York session. All right, we're going to, when did I start? Wait, when did I start this? July 1st I started, so we're going till August 1st, which is right here. So August 1st, I'm actually going to put a vertical line so I know. August 1st, boom. So daily chart. Now it actually does look like we want to deliver lower. Why? We have this SMT up here. NQ's respecting this up close candle. 4 hour turtle soup. Close back inside. Remember why I flipped my bias here, because of this 4 hour chart. So this could be a Monday high of week, Tuesday high of week on ES profile, which would mean we just sell off the entire rest of the week. So yeah, we'll see what we can get here. I wouldn't be interested in anything until we open, because it's just straight down close. We're gonna keep going, aren't we? What did we, I don't know if you guys can hear that dog, but my bad if you do. 8:30. Okay, so I remember ICT saying if midnight open is way up here and we don't really have the courage to trade above it, and 8:30 does the same thing, then you can expect a pretty big sell-off day, and right here we kind of see that. So, oh, we have an SMT. Damn, bruh. Okay. Now, if I'm expecting a full-on sell-off day, right? Full-on just sell-off kind of day, I'm okay with entering here, right? If we close below this candle, right? Why am I expecting a huge sell-off day, right? Midnight open was barely traded above. 8:30 was barely traded above. There's no willingness to buy down here, right? So what's the higher time frame PD array? To be honest, there doesn't need to be one if we're just gonna, oh, we actually have nice lows down here as well, right? So we can use these lows as our draw, right? So, oh, it's only 30 points away. So let's go to the 1 minute. Let's go to the 5 minute. Right here would be a manipulation leg. I'd actually use this entire thing. 2-2, okay, so it lines up right under it, but so we'll label that. Take partials here and then let runners to -4. If we get this trade, I don't know if we will. Okay, so there we go. We respect this fair value gap. We had a 9:30 trade lower, huge move higher, trapping people. This should be a real breakout to the downside. This right here should be a real breakout to continue lower, right? I don't like how big this stop is, right? So -2 is right there. So we're going to have to target -2.5 and then all the way down here to -4. And if we're expecting a big sell-off day, it's fine with me, bro. We'll go right there. Save. No, dude. Let me play this fair, bro. Let me save. Let me take this trade off 100%. How am I filled there? Okay, I would have got filled anyway. Turtle soup. This high shouldn't get taken anymore, right? If we break these lows, this high should never get taken again. Boom. Stop goes up here, right? Stop goes up there. 2.5 is the first target. Boom, delivered. Close, 50%. 3.5 is next. Holy fuck. 3.5 was hit. I didn't really... We'll close 75% there. And then see if we get to -4. Right, we'll move our stop down here now. Boom. Wow. Okay, so we actually did deliver well lower. I wonder if this did just sell off literally all day. Oh my god. We could have held this all freaking day. All day we could have held. Wow. So why did I take this trade and why wasn't there a higher time frame PD array? Right. This was actually a good lesson here, right? So we had this SMT where? Right here. Right here. We had this SMT all the way, right? NQ is trading all the way down here. ES is trading all the way up here on NQ, right? Here's that high on ES. NQ is all the way down here, right? So this is a huge SMT. Huge, right? We respect this fair value gap. We close beneath this big, bold, up close candle. This should never get violated, right? And then once we take this high, break these lows, this would be your soup, right? And if you miss that, like let's say I didn't take that, right here would be your CISD. Get filled here, put stop here or up here. Once we break these lows, boom, stop can get moved to break even or this high, right? It's as simple as that, bruh. And once again, I remember ICT saying if midnight open and 8:30 open have no willingness to go higher and manipulate, then we are probably going to have a one-sided directional day. So let's go to the next day. Oops, not next session. Next New York session. So what do we expect on Thursday, right? This was actually a big sell-off day, so we could do some rebalancing, but if Monday is going to be high of the week, we probably sell off on this day as well, and then Friday closes back in the range. This will be the range we're using on the 6 hour. All right, we took the high, but we should deliver lower because it closed below this candle, and that's also yesterday's low of day. So yeah, but it looks like NQ actually might want to trade here, and it does. Oops. We create equal highs. I wonder if we're going to leave them. We're going to leave them, aren't we? 8:30. Okay, so 8:30 trades higher. We took this high, so I mean, wait, is there an SMT? No, those are perfectly equal. We're going to leave those highs. Okay, I wouldn't do anything yet. Oh, right there would have been no SMT though. Actually, wait. No, there is no SMT. There's no SMT, so no trade. Wait. Now we have an SMT, right? We don't need to take these highs. Why don't we need to take these highs? 830 trades higher. If we're in bearish order flow and leave equal highs, to be honest, they can just be let there. So this could be our soup, right? Higher time frame PD array could be this 5-minute fair value gap. 15-minute doesn't close for another 4 minutes, but if we close below this candle, just like the last one, I wouldn't expect us to take this high, right? And then we probably just have a one-sided directional day. 10 a.m. should just deliver us straight lower if it closes below that candle. Okay, so it doesn't, but we still have this SMT. We just made equal highs. That wick right there. Okay, so we took it. Wait. ES equal highs. Okay, there. Now we took those highs on ES. 10 a.m. opens, trades higher, takes a high, forms SMT. Okay, so now we actually have an SMT with this high up here. Now that high does not need to be taken. Now that high can just remain there. We also have this big fair value gap right here on the 15-minute. Right, we have these highs, and what did I just say? Narrow it down to a lower time frame fair value gap, right? These highs can stay intact, right? So if NQ's 1-minute candle comes up, takes this high and closes back inside, I'll short that. Boom. We're going to try a short here. We'll risk off these highs. We'll target previous day low. We're actually going to go market on this one, but I'm going to go in right now and change it to limit so I don't keep doing that. Boom. Alright, so let's see what happens. Let's go to the 5-minute. What's the 5-minute doing? We might come up here. I'm going to put my stop right there. Okay, no SMT yet. Okay, so we took that. I'll put my stop at break even. Boom, TP hit. There, TP hit. Like I just said, SMT at these highs no longer need to be taken. If NQ took this high right here, because that was the candle range we were using, and closes back inside, I'm willing to try a short and risk off these highs right here. Because if that SMT is going to hold true, we shouldn't really trade much higher, right? And if we take a look, I can eyeball this, but I know some people can't, so I guess I can put it up here real quick. We pulled back to a premium, so right, 50% lies right there. We almost hit OTE. I narrowed it down to this fair value gap. Also, we have these up close candles here that could reject price lower. And I guess we just wanted to take that high one more time. And if we look on the 5-minute, when I entered that, it makes sense because we closed the bigger candle and then needed to take that candle range high, and then we delivered lower. So higher time frame PD array was this 15-minute gap. 5-minute, I guess we actually did need to trade higher, so shouldn't have took it on the 1-minute, but 15-minute PD array, so on and so forth. Let's go to the next day. So this is going to be a 1-hour video. Daily. Alright. What can I expect on this day? A closure back inside the range. We can use TGIF here. Oh, dude, what are the... Shit. 0.2, I think. 0.2 and 0.3. So... right there, we can use these projections, but we already hit that, so. Do we have an SMT down there? No, no SMT. Dude, Friday might want to just continue lower as well, right? If we're dude, but we took that low. 4 hour. Dude, they're all saying lower. I mean, they are all saying lower. Right? Why are they saying lower, right? If we're using this candle as our range, right? We took these candles highs, delivered lower, took this low, but closed a bearish candle below this low. 4 hour, same thing. It's just more thicker because it closed earlier, right? So this low right here should be the draw. Damn. I thought we were going to get some longs, but it is what it is. So, oh, dude, those equal highs look so... Oh, wait, those aren't equal. So this... Oh, wow. Never mind. Okay, so this changes everything. Remember, we just reached TGIF. We don't need to take this, right? This high can now stay intact, right? Oh, I thought we had an SMT there. This can be our turtle soup on the 1 hour. This can be our higher time frame PD array, right? So now what do we need? SMT, right? So we need an SMT here. Why do we want SMTs in our trade? This is going to be a fake low of day. It was created at 3:30. This is going to be a fake low of day. Oh my gosh, look at that. These up close candles are going to reject price so nicely to continue lower. It's not even funny, right? Oh my gosh, bro. We'll just box this. Turn it blue. This looks beautiful. This is going to be a beautiful sell model. I don't even remember what I was saying. Why can this low stay intact? Or why can this be a fake low of day? Because this soup right here should tell you everything, right? This, look at that body closure. And then huge delivery lower. We're just rebalancing some of this, right? And I guarantee, well, we are in OTE. You guys can see that. So we'll see what market open wants to do, right? We have no SMT here, so 8:30. We'll see if we want to form one. No SMT. Okay, so no SMT. I'd like 9. I wouldn't like 9 a.m. to take that low out. Okay, so we do. So this could... Dickhead. Those are equal highs, bro. No. We're going to take those highs. There's just no way, right? There we go. Remember that. Remember these down close can. We are not taking that high. We're not taking it. We have an SMT here. We'll see if that holds. Watch this. No, we're not taking this high. This is how confident I am. We're not going to take this high. Just look at this. Okay, 1 hour chart. We don't need to enter this fair value gap because we have this redelivered rebalanced right here. This right here. What time did we do that? The 2 o'clock high, right? We hit that at 2 in the morning. 2 a.m. opens up. That's a London session. Takes that high. No body candle closures above that high. Deliver us straight down. These are going to be huge order blocks that never get violated until we obviously go into the buy program. Yeah, you guys get it. These are not going to be violated because this turtle soup is a good turtle soup that delivered us straight down. I don't care that we just took this low. I don't care that we're pumping here. I'm going to short here with a stop above this high and show... No, I won't risk 2% and target that low. I will not risk 2%. I'd risk 5%. But I don't want to do that. 1%. We're going to do market. 613 for 2600. Save. Right? This 5-minute candle is going to flip red. Ooh! I'm so stupid, bro. Rejection block. Didn't get in there. Get in here. SMT on this high right here. We're not going higher than here now. Oh, are we? No. Stop gets moved. Break even. But why no partials? I'm very confident in that low. That's why. Wait, hold on. We actually have... We could target lower. Boom. Standard deviations. We'll partial with that low. Wait. Okay, ES did not reach it yet. soup. Once this, watch. Soup. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Hold up. Oh, dude, don't tell me we're going to leave equal highs there. Alright, well, that theory didn't work. Okay, well, we're going to close 50% of this. SMT down here, that's why. Boom, delivers sell side. We'll close 75% now. Then let the runners run. I'm moving my stop to these highs, right? Runners, I mean, why not? Oh wow, we actually didn't get up there. Okay, well, we just retook an internal low, so I'll close 100%, bro. Do we get down there though? Whoa. Oh wow, we never got down there. Yeah, we actually never got down to -2. Watch for that in your charts. That was beautiful. That was magnificent right there. Oh my gosh, dude, if we could have a trade like that every day, that would be beautiful, right? So I explained that very in detail throughout that whole thing. So let's go to daily. 6. Wait. Oh, this is the 6 hour. Okay, so we have a new start of the week. Yeah, we might have an inside bar. Oh, we have a new day opening gap, or new week opening gap, I should say. New week opening gap. Respect it. Respect these down close candles. This down close candle gets respect. It looks like a classic buy day. It looks like a classic buy day. Now we can come up here and take these highs, right? Just like I just said, that high shouldn't be violated that day, but if we go into a buy program, it can be. Right, so 8:30. Not interested in anything up here, right? I want longs, like I'd rather long this, so we'll see if we get any. Unless we take those highs, then I probably wouldn't trade because it's a Monday and we already took the daily objective. Okay, so there we go. We have an SMT down here, so we'll see if that wants to stay intact. So we have this SMT. What time did we do it? 9:30. Judas swing. Dude, I still don't know if there's going to be any news. Okay, so SMT. Judas swing lower. CISD, if we're using this candle as our range, took the low, close above the high, should deliver higher, right? So like I just explained on why I'm okay with trying longs here to target that high, right? Oh wait, do we enter a fair value gap? 15 minute? Yes, 15 minute down close. This can be a breakaway gap on the 1 hour for the time being because we have this down close candle right here, fair value gap. This can be a breakaway on the 1 hour. So glad that I looked at that. So higher time frame PD array is that 15 minute imbalance and order block. So let's place order. 1%. Not market, limit. So we'll see. Oh. Wait, equal highs. Okay. So this is why I like backtesting, because I like this strategy, right? And you guys haven't seen me trade this. But sometimes I don't get filled on the CISD, like right here, right? I was right on the overall draw and timing of it, right? 9:30 Judas delivered to that high. But unfortunately, it didn't want to tap that. And it is what it is. So I like gathering this data and seeing if I should just market buy if we close above this candle, right? And then what would that risk be on futures, right? If I marketed here, stop at the low, 27 points, right? I could scale down to 8 micros, right? And then scale out at this high, see if we want to continue, right? And then once we retake this high right here, oh, we actually have a small SMT right there, right? But like I said, I'm not interested in shorts today, right? And we already delivered to that high, so call it a day. We can deliver lower now, though. Now we have an SMT at the highs. Ooh, wonder if there was a setup there. So, right there we take the highs. Oh, we just... Yeah, I'm not interested, bro. An hour and 5 minutes. Alright. So it does look like we want to deliver up into here. Do we close above that high? Yes, we do. So we should deliver to this high up here. 6 hour. Re-delivered, rebalanced. 4 hour came into that gap. Kind of want to play COD after this, to be honest. Why did I say that? Okay, here we go. 1 hour OB. And fair value gap, so... Well, we do have an SMT up here. I kind of think with the... What did I just say, bro? I kind of think we run that. What? I'd wait for market open, dude. Whoa, 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 whoa. Dude. Hear me out. Hear me out. It's like that trade I took earlier, right? Higher time frame PD array. Where's E? Dude, let me see the crosshairs. Why can't I see the crosshairs? Are we even on the same day? Wait, why are we not on the same day here? Whoa! Dude, I would have really liked longs right here. I don't know what just happened, but hear me out. Dude, I kind of want to market buy this just because I know we're going to deliver to this high here. Okay, so look at this. Higher time frame PD array, right? We don't have an SMT there. But we do have an SMT down here, right? So we have the... Oh, wait. Dude, why does it keep doing that? Okay, yeah, we do have an SMT right here. So we have this SMT here. Hourly order block. Now we have a 5 minute, right? Right here is that 5 minute, right? So we're using this candle as our range. We do have a slight SMT with this low right here. Using this candle as our range, we take the low, displace above the high, right? Right here, and this fair value gap can be your entry, right? To this high, right? So I just explained that. Dude. If this comes down, okay. Really, bruh? Wait. We just went straight there. So you guys saw the trade that I would have took. Do we ever get to that high? Yeah, we just took the high. So you guys saw the trade that I would have took. I just don't know what happened to my screen. So unfortunate, but it is what it is. So we'll move on to the next day. Okay, so E has delivered into that fair value gap. So this day we don't have to. We have no wick on this candle. Oh God. What's happening? Midnight, no willingness to trade above it. 8:30 is right here. See what happens. I don't even know what the higher time frame PD array is going to be, but we'll play this out until market opens. Dude, it's like the exact same setup. Right there could have been the entry. No SMT though. It's like that same exact day. No willingness to trade above it either. Then straight down. Dude, I mean, if we can like trade higher a little bit, I mean, there's just nothing to trade. It's just straight down, bro. Nothing to trade. It's past 11:30, so I'd be done. Yeah, there was nothing to trade that day. So it looks like Tuesday high of week, Wednesday reversal into Thursday continuation. So Thursday we could continue the sell-off. We're getting close to August 1st, boys. A couple more days. This hour's in an hour and 10 minutes. Okay, so 6 hour. We're using this as our range, so we do have an obvious draw on liquidity. Right, same thing with the 4 hour. Not the 1 hour though. So we'll see what happens. Not really interested in anything yet. No SMT yet. We didn't take that high, did we? No. So no SMT yet. Now we have an SMT. Now we have an SMT. Five minute. Man. Well, now we have these up close candles. We also have a breaker and a fair value gap. But like I said, only soups. Fair value gap, right? Lower it down. Right, so here can be a turtle soup play. Hold on. Right, I want to see shorts. Do we just take that low? Yep. Alright, that was clearly obvious, but no entry. Ah, dude. No entry other than just souping this high. Oh, dude, up close candle. Alright, so unfortunate, but no entry there. On the lower time frames, I wouldn't be interested in anything anymore. Oh, maybe. Hold up. Alright, Thursday should be continuation, so we could keep delivering lower. And using this as our intraday sell side. 15 minute for a value gap. 1 minute. No SMT yet. Equal highs. Okay, ES takes them. Where are they? Okay, so all these highs throughout here. So we have this big ol' SMT right now. Right, inside of what? This upper fair value gap now. Alright, so we might run it. Just took that high. Still have this SMT intact though. Still intact, bro. I mean, 11 a.m. just opened up. Four hour looks bullish. I mean, unless we actually get some serious displacement. Yeah, no trade on this day. Yeah, so we took that high. Now I missed the short and the long, bro. Wait, I took this trade. I took this breaker, I took this on a real account. I didn't even realize that until now. Looking at it now, I took this trade right here. But turtle soups only on this video. It is 26th. So. Whoa. Wait. Dude, we went the whole way up there just to come the entire way back down. Sorry if that was loud. Dude, it's 9:10. Alright, so we have this sell side. I mean, this side doesn't really need to be taken anymore. Yeah, it looks like we want to deliver lower, to be honest. I don't know. I'd wait for market open. I'm kind of losing my voice as well. I need more water. This could be a soup. Yeah. SMT that high. ES, please. Boom. SMT at the high. What are we doing? I need to see some sort of high get taken. Okay, no SMT throughout here though. Okay, now we have an SMT. Oh wait, we've had that SMT. No higher time frame PDR except this 15-minute fair value gap, and this candle closes in 3 minutes, so we'll see if we respect it. Oh, and it looks like we will. We do. Take out all these highs throughout here, trapping longs. Looks like a straight sell-off, to be honest. We use this up close candle, but what would the risk here be? I wouldn't be down for that even on a fucking paper account. Holy shit, 60 points. Well, let's see. We have an SMT there. There we go. Okay, now I'm okay with shorting this candle. That's better risk and targeting. This sell side, right? Macro is about to open up as well. 200 points. Holy fuck. 15-minute fair value gap, continuous respect. 5-minute fair value gap right there. Change in the state of delivery right here, right? So SMT at this high up here, right? And ES took out these highs, or this high right there. So NQ no longer needs to. 24. That's good. What's this? 85.25. Oh. Alright, place order. We'll see if this wants to hit. Oh, doesn't look good, boys. Stopped out there. So, I'd still expect this to continue lower. If we just go higher, then I'm wrong, right? And we're just kind of chopping. Let's see if this does deliver though. Right, one trade a day, right? I'm done. Alright, so it's invalidated anyway, so I was just wrong. So, right, that's why you always manage stops, right? Small stop out, continues, so that was fine with me. This is an hour and 18 minutes so far, dude. Okay, we have, I doubt anybody's watching still. We have 2 more days after this, so almost done. Alright, so NQ looks like it wants to trade into here. Same thing with the ES, so bullish bias on this day, I guess, whatever. So this would be that daily fair value gap. 4 hour delivering from a fair value gap as well. 1 hour. If we close above this, we probably won't go lower, but not gonna long down or long up here. Okay, so we could take out that low now. Shit. Oh, wait. Okay, so we have an SMT here. 930 Judas swing lower. Let's see if standard deviations, kind of above that, but we are bullish. So SMT down here, 1 hour. We have this right here, but overall we don't need to take this low because ES has, right? So if NQ wants to tap this down close candle, that can be a play. Dude, these stops are huge. Is this at least a 2R? Holy fuck, how can I narrow this down? Okay, I guess we could use the body. It's still not even a 2R. Dude, what is this? Why are we so volatile? That's a 2R. 53 points. Dude, you'd have to... My usual risk is about 20 points. I'd have to trade like 5 micros. I mean, I guess it's okay, right? Right, where would your turtle soup be? ES, or NQ, we are using this as our range, but ES took it out already, right? In 15 minute, we took this low, and we SMT'd this low. So this low doesn't need to be violated, right? And I guess another thing we could do is target to -2. Now is it a 2R? Now it's a 2R. Let's place order. 63 points is wild. Wow. And it hit the wick, dude. It hit the wick. We didn't deliver up there anyway, so. We have an SMT with this high over here. That right there would have been your entry. But I want it long, so I guess it's fine. Oh, by the way, I don't trade afternoon sessions, so that's why I'm not looking, right? Okay, so we have an SMT down here. If I'm bullish and I think this is the draw, now we actually have better risk. 53 points. Whoa. Right? And why would I be okay with taking it here? Right? Just like I said before, this low can get taken. But if this low gets taken, then I'm incorrect in all. Right? I'm just totally wrong. I'm wrong. So that is why I would be okay with this and just trying a long here. Right? Because I think the draw is higher anyway. And is this a 2R here? Okay, so this is a 2R. Okay, so that low got taken. Now watch. Watch the rest of the day. Dude, don't make me be wrong. Okay, so market close, boom. So, as you see, we never got to that high. If this low gets violated, I'm just wrong in all. Like, I'm just wrong. So that's why I was okay with just market buying there and risking off this low. Because if I'm right, we shouldn't go lower than that low. Right, so 8:30, we got 2 days, boys. 8:30. I'm getting kind of like, I hope I'm still like trading good. It's just I'm tired now. I've been on this for what, an hour? We took this candle's low and we still haven't delivered to that. Oh wait, ES did? Maybe that's why we didn't go up. I don't know. Any news in bomber? Holy shit, I can't believe I'm fucking still going. Oh my gosh. Alright, weekly profile. What do we got going on? Monday, Tuesday, could be Tuesday low of a week, possibly. If it is, we shouldn't go lower than here before we trade up, or we can after we trade up here. So right now I'm not interested. Right, if we look at the hourly, we're just kind of riding higher a little bit. So okay, no SMT, but we do have an SMT here. 9:30 is probably going to trap both sides, pump higher, dump. Right now I wouldn't do anything because 5 minute, this would be our range low. Took it. Once again, range low. Okay, so we dumped. Now, if I'm right and we come down here, we shouldn't go lower than that, right? And we have an SMT with a lower time frame low. So we'll see what this 5 minute does. I'd need to see it close above here or take the low, one or the other. Okay, SMT. SMT. Okay, we ran it, but now we have this little SMT, bro. That's stupid. Remember, we're still in this, right? And like I said, if we're gonna stay bullish, we shouldn't go lower than here. Right, so let's wait for this 5 minute closure. Okay, so see, it does look like we might want to continue lower, or ES just needed to trade into it. That could also happen. No, NQ actually did want to go lower. So why did we deliver lower here? No higher time frame PD, right? No SMT. I actually have no idea. I don't have a clue. Right there could have been your soup though. Tapped in right there on this candle, delivered lower. But like I just mentioned, I kind of just wanted to see us go higher. We just sold off all day, right? I don't trade afternoon sessions, so if you guys are wondering why I'm not going into afternoon, I don't trade it. Except sometimes, occasionally, right? SMT at these highs, but I do want to see NQ trade up there. Oh. I mean, we're just up right now. Took that high, but I can't do anything yet. Just pumping. I kind of hope I can get a trade here. Okay, so we just took it. That would mean, what day is this? Wednesday. Could be a Wednesday high of a week. Profile? 15. Oh, there is an SMT here. So we have this SMT here, right? SMT. So we'll see. But what are we targeting? We have lows all throughout here. Look at ES. Look at all. That's low resistance liquidity. All right, look at all that. Okay, so we'll see. 5 minute. What are we doing? Right there. Okay. If we're going to deliver lower, this is your change in the state of delivery. I'm going to mark it by here because I didn't realize that the 5 minute closed so soon. 38 points. We'll target. Oh, dude, that's so many points. We'll target these lows right here. We're going to go market buy. Should I do 2% or 3%? We'll do 2% because this is going to be the last trade. Save. I just got absolutely ran through. We're going to deliver lower from here, aren't we? Wait, 1 minute. This SMT doesn't matter. I'm willing to try again. This SMT up here. Right, so right here. This candle is the range we're using. We have an inside candle. We just took the high of it. Right, so this in theory should deliver us at least down to this low. Right, this CISD didn't work. I was wrong there. But we still have this SMT here now. and we have lower to go, and we just formed that at what time? Right before a macro. So this right here should be your soup, right? This should be your turtle soup. And we'll see. I don't know if I'm right, but we're going to find out. And we'll see if I can get delivered to this low. I don't want to go below 10K, so we're going to do 1% here. Dude, I got stopped again. Alright, I'm getting tired, I think, bro. Am I just wrong on the day? We're finishing up $10,600. Tell me I'm wrong on the day. I am. I'm just wrong. I'm wrong on the day. So, what time was I trying these fucking shorts, dude? Right here. No, not right there, dude. Right here. This 15... Dude. Okay, that's gangsta, dog. Okay. Dude, I'm calling this. We'll go to analytics real quick. We'll go to here. Alright, I've done this a few times. Oh, win rate was actually 66%. That's not too bad. I wasn't expecting it to be 66%, but I wasn't really paying attention. Average RR, 3.8. So what I really like about these are, I know if I'm wrong quick, right? 10 minutes is my average loser. 1 hour and 10 minutes is my average winner. Overall profit was steady up, right? Monday. I'm not good at trading Mondays anyway, to be honest with you, so that's accurate. Tuesday is good. Wow, 100% win rate on Tuesday. I know that's not true in real life, so take that with a grain of salt. Wednesday, 50%. P&L, 1,500, right? Average RR, 4.4 or 4.9. Which average R on Tuesday is 3. Average R on Monday is 2. So you guys see that I'm remaining above that average RR, above a 2, which is what you need if you're going to have a 50% win rate. So Thursday as well. I really like trading Thursdays. That's usually my best days. 2.5 on average is that's less than. And then Friday, 66, 4R. So you guys see with this, I doubt anybody's watching, but with this, you can be profitable, right? You need those 4 things: higher time frame, key level, SMT, time on your side, and then either enter off the soup or enter off a CISD. I'm really tired, so. Oh, whenever I was first testing this is the first one, I think. Average profit and loss, I'm up 11K on it, and my average, that's why I was surprised my average win rate was 60%, because this one was 42%. Monday, 55%, so 1,800. Tuesday, I was red, 33% win rate, but average RR stays up there, right? Average R on Monday was actually a little less than 2. Average R on Wednesday is 3, 52% win rate, 6K. Thursday, red, 30%. Average R is still above a 2. Friday, 5K, 40%. Average R is a 5. So I think this one here was more accurate. I don't even know what this is. Analytics. Soup. I think I just... Oh. -4. I had 1 trade on it. I don't know what that is, to be honest with you. But this one, analytics, this one was actually really accurate, because those trades right there I would have taken for real. So this is the video, 1 hour and 34 minutes. If you're still here, say yo. Say yellow is for sun. Say yellow is for the sun. That's what you have to say. Other than that, I'm out of here. Join the free Discord. I'm out. I need to go pee. Pop another Zin. I'm out. Peace.